Hi, my name is Patti and welcome to my YouTube channel. I tend to post mommy, cleaning, decor, lifestyle type of videos, so if you're into that, just keep watching. And today I'm in my bedroom because I am going to be doing a entire wardrobe like clear out slash refresh. It's still cold outside, but I'm kind of sick of looking at all of my winter clothes. So I'm going to be going through my drawers down here under my bed and going through the whole closet, like taking almost everything out, reorganizing, putting the spring stuff in, taking a lot of like the heavy winter stuff out, like stuff that I'm not really wearing right now. And I also am taking one of the rods out of my closet, you'll see, because it's kind of in the way and I don't really need the space anyways. So yeah, I'm kind of just doing a whole kind of refresh of my closet, and I'm going to be getting rid of a couple things. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into this video because I love to do long intros. Sorry. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm hoping all I have to do is unscrew both of these and then I can take the bar out because this bar is becoming a pain in the butt. And you can also see eventually I need to put the trimming on this. Like, it looks terrible. At least it's on the inside, but it still needs to get finished. Okay, so I got it taken out. It was actually a lot easier than I thought. But you can see though, it kind of looks like trash. But that's okay because my clothes are going to be covering it up, and eventually like there's some like cracks in the wall too that need to get fixed. So I'm not really worried about that right now. I just wanted to get the bar out. It kind of got in the way. I could never hang anything on the top one if I wanted to use the bottom, but then Lo would always trash the whole bottom. So I moved everything to the top, but then everything hangs over the bar. It gets in the way. It makes it more clumped together. So I'm so happy to get that thing out of there. So I think what I'm going to do is put everything back in hanging, and then I'm going to start really going through my clothes and seeing if there's anything that I need to take out that I don't want anymore that I'm going to give away, because I already have like 2 bags if you saw when I was taking everything out of the closet. So let's get into that. Okay, now comes the fun part. This is all the stuff I took out of the closet, so I have to decide if I'm keeping it or if I'm giving it away. If I'm keeping it, it all has to get folded and put into this back drawer, and now all that stuff down there has all like the spring and summer stuff, so I have to take that out, sort through it, see what I'm keeping, and then I have to move on to this drawer, which is kind of like pajamas, loungewear stuff. And I used to keep a lot of sweatshirts in here, but mostly they're all hanging in the closet, so I have to see kind of how everything fits in the closet before I decide what I'm going to do with this drawer. So yeah, lots of fun stuff. Not really. Okay, current update. I filled in the closet a little bit more, you can see. And I started like reorganizing things, and then if you can tell behind me here, the pile isn't as big here of stuff that has to get put away that's like spring, summer. But I really want to get through this first because the drawer is getting pretty empty and I don't feel like going through my bag of hangers. So yeah, gonna clear that up first, and then I can really like decide how I want my closet and figure out what I'm gonna do with the sweatshirts, because I still have to tackle the pajama drawer. So yeah, let's get into that now. So this back drawer is officially all taken care of. I've got all of my winter stuff. That's like a Halloween costume, that jean skirt. And the bag is usually where I keep all of my swimwear. I kind of just like to keep it separate, and I don't want like the chlorine smell to get on anything. So that's in there. And now on to this drawer. I think I'm just going to take everything out, like refold everything, see what's in here, see if there's anything I want to get rid of. I'm not quite sure. And then I might put some of the sweatshirts in here because it's looking a little packed in here, if you can't tell. I reorganized things a little. I don't have everything by color yet. I probably will get to that later or at some other point. But yeah, I have all the sweatshirts in the back, and it's just a little too cramped for my style. I hate trying to look for things. Let's clear this out. So you can tell I put all of the non-hooded sweatshirts in here, and I really think it helps like lessen the bulk a little. Probably like as it gets towards more summer, like I might take out some of the sweatshirts anyways. So this is what we have going on so far. And now I'm just gonna do stuff like socks and whatnot, and then I'll show you the final product. So done. Look at how organized they are. Ugh, my heart is so happy. Now I gotta tackle this mess. So it's all just like bedding, sheets, pillowcases, all that stuff. I have way too much of it. I don't even know what's all in here, but I'll probably be getting rid of a lot of it. Okay, so here's what I'm keeping. This stuff right here I'm taking downstairs, the sleeping bag, and all the rest of like these sheets and pillowcases. I'm gonna put them all in my actual linen closet, so that's why they're kind of just sitting here right now, because I have a lot of room in there. I just need to reorganize that as well. I don't know if that's gonna get done today. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave that as it is, and let's look. So I put everything back in the closet. That's just a bag of all like my travel bags, stuff like that. My bins of important papers. And then here's the closet so far. So obviously could still use some work, but this is just going to look like this for now. So out here is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. I already had like a bag and a half filled of things that I knew I was going to get rid of. But yeah, I'm gonna add this to the collection as well. So that is everything. I'm so happy with the way the closet turned out. Like everything is in somewhat of an order. Like I said, I do need to kind of go back through and recolorize things, but I can get to that at like a later date. Like I really just wanted to get the bulk of the work done. Like I wanted to get that rad taken out. Like I wanted to put in some of the spring and summer stuff, like take out some of like the bulk, like thick flannel stuff that I'm not wearing right now, and kind of especially like redo some of my drawers because they had gotten like a little bit, how should I say? I don't want to say messed up, but they got a little like unorganized, and I did get rid of a bunch of stuff. I think like 2.5 bags of stuff that I will be taking over to my mom's because she kind of takes care of all of that. So thanks, Mom. Love you. If you would like me to do any more like organizing type of videos, I mean, I know, drop my water. So if you would like that and more organizing videos, give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps out my channel. It lets me know that you're liking the videos that I'm posting. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.